Hey guys, Brad here with Devlegion, and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a breakable wall or a breakable mesh. As you can see here, it's something good for in case you have a player that has to find a secret room or something like that, and they have to shoot the wall and it breaks into 1,000 pieces. But that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. So as you can see, I have Unreal Engine open. We're going to go ahead and start with the first person template. I am going to do it with starter content. Go ahead and create project. Yeah, I was creating a game not too long ago, and I did actually use something similar to this, and I did want to show you guys, just make a quick tutorial on how you can do it. It's pretty simple. Okay, so now that we have our Unreal Engine open, I'm gonna go ahead and go over here. We're going to start with, because there are a few different things that you can use, I'm just going to start with the basic 400 by 200 wall. Go ahead and delete that. I don't really need to drag it in just yet. But that's what we're going to start with. So we're going to right click on the one that we want to use. Going to go up to create destructible mesh. Go ahead and create that. As you can see, a new window did pop up. We're going to go ahead and click fracture mesh into chunks. Now you can edit it exactly, how many fractures you want or shards and stuff like that. We're not going to get into that just yet. But we'll go ahead and save that. And as you can see, it did create a new one. You have wall 400 by 200 and wall 400 by 200 DM for destructible mesh. So we're going to go ahead and right click that, and we're going to go ahead and click asset actions, and we're going to create blueprints using this because we do want to go ahead and apply some characteristics to this. So we're going to click blueprints, click OK, that load. I clicked that because that's where the file is going to be saved, so definitely remember that for later. Now we have our destructible mesh up. We're going to click the destructible for destructible mesh. Now we want physics applied to this. That way, whenever we shoot it, the shards do have physics applied as well. So we're going to click simulate physics. We're going to come down to our events, and we're going to click on component hit. And there we go. We have our on component hit destructible. Now we have to pretty much tell the system what we want when a certain object inside the game touches this mesh. This is what's going to happen. So what we want to do is we want to cast to first person projectile, because that's what we want to hit the wall. And we're going to go ahead and not component. We're going to go other actor, have that linked. And we're gonna do apply point damage. So these are the characteristics for the contact. Let's see, and we also want to do for on the hit. We want to break hit results. Kind of lets us know, or kind of tells the system what's gonna happen once once that projectile hits that wall. So we're gonna go to hit actor. As you can see, it says hit actor reference. I'm going to go ahead and connect that one to the damage actor. We also have impact point. We're going to connect that to the hit from direction. So whenever the projectile hits the wall, it's going to explode from the opposite direction. And we do want to add this to the damage causer, because the projectile is what's going to cause the damage. And let's see here, we do want to connect this hit to this hit info. That way they're all connected. So we are going to add some base damage. We can set that at 100, that's fine. Okay, everything does look okay. And also the damage class. We're going to go ahead and connect that, or go ahead and set that to damage type. So as you can see, everything is connected. Just double checking. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and compile that, and we're going to save it. And now we want to go back to our blueprints folder, and there it is. There's our destructible mesh. Go ahead and add it right here. Click play, and we'll shoot it, and it will collapse into 1,000 pieces. Now, like I said before, guys, you can edit the amount of shards that do explode, because as you can see, that is kind of extreme. Kind of blows out everywhere. I mean, it all depends on what game you're making, but I guess that that will work. But that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. Like I said, I did just want to show you exactly how you can go ahead and add that in. If you did want to add some texture to it, you can double click it, go to destructible, and you have your materials right here. So we can go ahead and add just a basic clay like I had in that preview. Compile, save. Oops. Exit that out, click play, and there it is. We'll shoot it, and it will break into 1,000 pieces. Alright guys, well thank you so much for tuning in. Again, I will be adding some more videos in the future. We'll see you then.